Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Vase here, and today we are going to unbox the PS4 Slim vertical stand. So without any further ado, let's begin. So let's unbox the package. So this is the PS4 vertical stand, which has two cooling fans beneath it, and I think a charging bay for two controllers, and also a USB hub, if I'm right. So this is a hard package to crack. Okay, finally it's open, and inside it, okay, what is this really? They have heat sealed the inner bubble wrap as well with the outside package, but anyways, we need the product in one piece. Who cares about this packaging? So here is the product, and along with my paperwork. So now let's open or remove the bubble wrap. It's really fun doing this always. Okay, it's finally open. And here it is. The PS4 vertical stand. It also has the genuinity tag, gamer's vault. This is the front side of the box. Here is its side. Improves the lifespan of your PS4 Slim. Includes two controller charging dock stations, original style. And on the back, here it has its description and features. Description: specially designed for PS4 Slim, built-in high-speed fan can effectively improve the service life of the console, of course, by cooling it. Extensive USB hub for other devices. Charging dock for charging two wireless controllers simultaneously. You can put game disc, casually convenient for use. Okay, rocket shape as a unique design. And on features, here it says fit for one piece PS4 sim console, fan size 60-60-15 millimeter, fit for two pieces PS4 Slim Bluetooth controllers, your DualShock 4 controller, input current 500 milliampere, input voltage DC 5 volt, and with two pieces high speed fans up to 3000 rpm. Attention, non modify, blah blah blah. Who cares? Let's crack the box open. Let's open the box. And here it is, and nothing else is inside the box. It's empty. So here it is, our PS4 Slim stand, vertical stand. On the side you have these rubber grips which have plastic on them. You can remove them, of course, like this. So this is really grippy, I can tell you that. Here we have our two fans to cool the PS4 Slim. Here we have the charging dock for our DualShock 4 controllers. Here is the micro USB port to charge our DualShock 4 controller. Here is the USB which will connect onto our PS4 Slim, and this will deliver power to the fans as well to the two DualShock 4 controller ports. And on the front, okay, this is a, and on the front we have a button and USB hub, two USB ports, and this is it. And there should be two locks here somewhere. Okay, anyways, why don't we fit our PS4 Slim on it and check it out. So here is the PS4 Slim. I'm going to place it like this, gently, and here it is. It's inside it like this. And to connect the USB, I'm just going to simply plug it into one of the USB ports present on the front side of the PS4 Slim, like this. And this is it. And for the DualShock 4 controller, I am just going to place it like this. And it has gently gone into it and it has fitted exactly right. So guys, so I'm really impressed of this PS4 Slim vertical stand. It will surely cool my PS4 and it will also increase the lifespan of it as well. If you want to buy it, the link for the product will be in the description. I will soon make a review of this PS4 Slim vertical stand, so stay tuned for it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below and I will try to answer as many questions as I can. And thank you guys for watching this video.